Yo. I don't know why I want to bust out laughing. What's up, warriors? It's your girl SNAP-SydniJolie. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, don't forget, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Today we're doing a challenge and we have a very special guest in the building.
Hi everybody,
it's Muva.
Hey, what's up? What's
all right,
up?
y'all, so we just gonna get right into this challenge or whatever. Of course, Muva's going first.
Me?
Yes,
Why
you're going
do I have to go
first.
first?
Because I said so.
Oh, great. Okay.
All right, so this is the baby food challenge. What we're going to do is blindfold each other and have each other taste test some different baby foods and try to guess
Tasty.
what the baby food is. Okay, that's what we're gonna do today. We didn't even think about a prize or anything. What's the prize? A dinner date?
You can give me some money. Cash at me. Charm 2018.
Alrighty then. So she wants me to cash app her. And what do I get? Cash app?
Girl, I gave you life.
Oh my Lord. Anyway, guys, we're about to get right into this challenge. Stay tuned. Don't go nowhere.
Be right back.
Alright, guys. About to put this on her right now. I'm so mad because we both did our makeup and we about to be blindfolded. I hope my makeup don't get messed up. But anyway,
Well.
yeah.
I'm blind, I can't see. Okay. What's going on?
Pick this one. Let's get started with this.
Play. What is it?
Y'all see that?
Can I smell it?
Nope.
What?
I don't know if y'all can, if my camera focused, but this will out the camera.
Let's hope this is delicious.
All right, you ready?
Delicious.
Nice.
All right, I'm ready.
Amount here.
A nice amount. What do you mean?
Open wide.
A nice amount.
Open up.
What is that? Some kind of peas?
You gotta guess the flavor. What you think it is?
Peas. It's disgusting.
Nope, it's not peas.
Oh.
2 more guesses,
Oh
and
my
I get your point.
Some kind of mixed vegetable or something? Let me think. It's disgusting. That's what it is. I need some water. Ugh.
One more guess?
Let me think. Ugh. I don't know what that is.
Well, you kind of got it right when you said mixed vegetable.
Oh, what is it?
It is corn and sweet potato.
No wonder. Excuse me. Can I, yo. I just did my lashes, so you know what I'm saying? Like, she trying to take a lash off and everything. Like, what?
My turn.
Yes, it is. Step to the
I'm about
chair.
to say, I can sit in that chair.
And you will. I'll get you good. Where's that nasty mess? You have your spoon. You have your spoon?
Just use the same one.
All right.
Unless you've been sucking dip.
No, I have not. X.
Oh, man, my lashes. I'm going to mess up everything.
Camera, can y'all see this? I'm going to get her back. Woo. Yeah, that pop. I'm going to get her back. Get a good amount here. Just like she did me. Open wide. That's what she did with me, remember? Uh-huh. Yeah. Yep. Come on. Let's guess what it is. Can y'all see that?
Oh my God. That's so net. Why did I think it would taste so much better?
That's what I told you. Come on.
But I think I know the flavor.
What's the flavor?
Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Squash.
You got it on the second one because it wasn't sweet potato. It was squash.
All right. That means I don't even know if I have 2 points or not.
Uh-huh. Told you to watch those lashes because that damn will pull them right on off.
We're going to let them be the judge of who wins.
Okay.
Ooh, that was so nasty.
That's very nasty. Yes. All right. So, how many more do we have to taste? Because I really don't want to taste them.
I guess 2 more.
Ugh.
Because it's 2 more flavors, so. There we go.
Lord.
Let's put this on you.
All right. It's on me. Oh, can you rinse that off? I don't want to taste squash. All right. I'm ready.
All right. Open wide. Not bad, huh?
This is not bad at all. I kind of like it.
Yeah, this one's all right. Girl.
I think it's some type of applesauce. Let me think.
It's mixed. Apple is correct, but it's mixed.
Bananas.
And what else?
I don't know. Let me think. I think I got it. Oranges.
No, pears.
I know it was something, but that was good. Okay, well, then just pull it right on off and yeah.
Right, last. Well, no, 2 more rounds.
2 more what?
I do 1 more round. You do 1 more round because it's 1 more type of food.
Okay, well. All right, let me find something for Sid here. Let's see what we got in here that's yummy. All right. Check it out, y'all. Can you see that? See it? Let's see if she likes this. All right. Open wide. Good amount.
That's a good one. Tastes like pears.
Oh, you got it on the first one.
Cause that's what it tasted
It's
like.
delicious though, isn't it?
Yeah, I about to say the 2 that we just did, we gonna eat them because
I'll be a baby. Wah, wah.
The other ones, the squash and all that, they're disgusting.
Very disgusting.
We're not gonna do that.
We're not doing that.
But the other 2 that we just had, the pears and the other one.
This
but,
one right here.
All right.
And then yeah, it's delicious.
So 1 more for you.
Why do I have 1 more?
Because you're the special guest. So it's only right we do 1 more for Muva.
Can you write this off? Because I don't want it to taste like whatever it was.
Go ahead and put on your blindfold, darling.
I want something good. I know it looks kind of wild, but it's all good.
What is that?
Nothing. I just said I want something good, didn't I? That's all I said.
Put on the daggone thing.
Give me something good.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
All righty.
This probably gonna be good.
Here we go.
All right. Give it to me.
All right, here it comes.
Okay, cool. I'm ready. I'm not wallowing it. Give me one moment. What?
Well, I'm sorry, Mom. I have to admit to you, I mixed up a concoction. And I fed it to you. I want to say I put some honey, some pepper, some Italian dressing, some crushed hot peppers.
I can't even get to taste it out of my mouth. It's disgusting. Excuse me for another moment.
Oh my God! I had to get you.
Oh God. That is the most disgusting crap I've ever tasted.
So what did that one taste like?
Make you want to spit it all down my blouse. It's just disgusting. Y'all know I'm gonna get it right. I'm going to get her back.
Oh, so this means war.
Somehow. Warriors, this means war. Yes.
All right, warriors. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to Sydni, Jolie, and Muva.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. But this nastiness in my mouth, I'm about to go brush my teeth and gargle with mouthwash because it's disgusting. See you guys next time.
And if you guys would like to see more war challenges like this, then go ahead, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything. We'll catch you guys in the next video.
Next time.
Sid, Jolie, and Muva, out.
We out.